Dear students, in previous video, I taught two simple way to calculate the common logarithm, and the link of that video is mentioned in description. Now, in this video, we will learn to calculate the antilog. First, now let's see what's the relationship between the log and antilog. Here you can see if log of a with the base b is equals to x, then antilog of x with the base b is equals to a. Same thing, let's see with one example. If log of 2 with the base 10 is equals to 0.3010, then antilog of 0.3010 with the base 10 is equals to 2. Now, let's see with more detail. Antilog of 1.1521 with the base 10. Let's find the value of this using clerk book. First, take the mantissa part separately with decimal point. Here it's 0.1521. Now make three groups from these numbers. First group should have two numbers with the decimal point, that is 0.15. Second and third group should have one number each, that is 2 and 1. Now refer your antilog book. In row section, look for number 0.15, and in column section, look for number 2. Thus, we get 1419. Next, in mean difference column, look for 0.15 and column 1, and here we get value 0. Add these numbers with previous 4-digit number, which is equals to 1419. Now put a decimal point after one digit, that is 1.419. Next thing, multiply these numbers with 10 to the power characteristics. Here the characteristics is 1. Therefore, the final answer is 1.419 into 10 to the power 1, which is equals to the 14.19. Let's see with one more example. First, write mantissa separately, which is 0.0699 here. Here, also like in previous case, make three groups. First two digit in one group along with decimal point, which is 0.06, and second and third group with next two digits, which is here 9 and 9. Now in antilog table, look for row 0.06 with the column 9, and we get 1172, and note this number. Next, look for the same row and column 9 in mean difference, and we get 2. Now add this both the numbers, which is equals to 1174. Now put a decimal point after first digit, which is 1.174 here. Next, multiply these numbers with 10 to the power characteristics. Here 0 is the characteristics. So the answer is now 1.174 into 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 is equals to 1. So the final answer is 1.174. Now let's try with the different type of question. Here the question is in the bar form, that is antilog of 2 bar 0.0477 with the base 10. Let's solve this one. All the method is same here, but because it's bar, so In this case, we have to write negative sign before characteristics on power of 10, which is here 1.116 into 10 to the power minus 2. By multiplying this, we get 0.01116. This is our answer. Now, very important, what if the question is given in the negative number? Let's see with one example. First, we must make the mantissa positive. For that, make two parts of these numbers and write like this. Now, for this number, add 1 and subtract 1. Calculate this now, and minus 2 write as a 2 bar, and 1 minus 0.8593. By calculating this, we get 0.1407. We got 2 bar and 0.1407. By adding these two numbers, we get 2 bar 0.1407. Therefore, antilog of minus 1.8593 with the base 10 can be written as antilog of 2 bar 0.1407 with the base 10. And rest of the method same now. But remember, while checking in antilog table, look for 0.1407, not for the 0.8593. And by following the same method, we get the answer is 0.01382. Same type, one more question we can see here now. By following the same methodology, antilog of minus 2.9212 with the base 10 can be written as antilog of 3 bar 0.0788 with the base 10. And with referring the antilog table, here we get the answer is 0.001199. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this.